Concise RDWorks Learning Lab with Russ Sadler. Session 19, Incised Engraving and Airflow Management.
Well, although today's session is another venture into the world of engraving, we're going to spread it out a little bit. And we're not just going to be talking about engraving, but some of the conditions that need to exist for successful engraving. You'll remember that last time we found that it was very easy to produce barbecued wood. We could do deep engraving that wasn't really deep and black engraving at all. It was like a toothed comb, and all we had to do was scrape it and the black surface disappeared. But it was deep. But today we're going to try and get to that deep engraving without doing that. Now, deep engraving carries the description of incised engraving. Most of you guys really want to do incised engraving. You want to burn into the surface of your wood and you want to be able to feel it. That's a completely separate technique to the one that I showed you last time about surface engraving. Now, to most people, incised engraving is very easy.